Hey guys, so today I'll be unboxing this productivity journal that I bought from Amazon. It's from Clever Fox. So I never thought that I would actually be unboxing any products, but I recently bought this from Amazon, well, a day ago, and I opened it and I love the quality of it, so I decided that I would do an unboxing for it. So I decided to buy a productivity journal because I know it's a great tool to record, analyze, and improve your efficiency cycle. You can work harder when you have a productivity book or a planner or journal, whatever you want to call it. You can work smarter, not harder. I know it's a cliche, but it's a cliche for a good reason. Productivity journals can help you to work smarter and avoid non-value added tasks as well. So yeah, this is what the book looks like. And another point on productivity journals, it is especially useful when you have specific goals, big projects, or if you're just trying to form a habit of being productive. It can contribute significantly towards making you an expert on whatever, your goal is or whatever you're trying to do. So this is what the book looks like. You can see it's from Clever Fox, and on the front it shows you like this picture of the brain, productivity, passion, motivation, happiness, and focus. It says achieve your goals and increase your productivity, passion, and happiness, from Clever Fox. What I also like about this book, it shows you, by the way, it's purple, which is my favorite color. Yeah, so that's the point. That's a plus for me as well. Yeah, so as I was saying, it shows on the back. It says stay focused on your goals, develop good habits, feel happier, increase your productivity, live a more fulfilling life. So that's what it says. And on the bottom in bold, are you guys seeing this? Yes, it shows monthly review, weekly review, goals, habit tracker, 1 year weekly planner layout, affirmations, gratitude, and inspiration. So another thing that I love about the packaging of the journal is what it came in. Came in this cute little box with a purple fox on it. It has sticker cards. Has a sticker cards, and it has a little thank you card, which is super cute and adorable. Here you go. See, thank you. You're welcome. So I bought this book on Amazon for $19.99, include tax. I would say it came up to about $21. I got free shipping with Prime and next day delivery. So I'm about to open the book. Haven't opened it as yet. I was just so impressed with the cover, the outside of the book, the packaging. That's why I decided to do the review. And no, I'm not sponsored by Clever Fox. I think this book is awesome, so I decided to just do the review. So let's see what the first page looks like. So the first page, you can see your name, your phone number, email, and first couple pages of the journal, it says my gratitude and self-awareness. I am grateful for, so that's a good thing. So I guess you could just write whatever you're grateful for at whatever given time. what I'm passionate about, what brings me joy in life, and affirmation. So it also says at the top, my daily rituals. So that's a good thing. I really like. So, and you have a vision board right here. I've read about vision board and how good it is, or how useful it is for you to write down what it is that you want to accomplish, or you can make like cut little pictures out of what you want to accomplish, and looking at your goals daily will help motivate you so you can move towards them. So the next page says my goals, top goals for the year: health, business, career, family and friends, significant other, and romance at the bottom. Finance, personal development, fun, recreation, and spiritual. Okay, the next page, it shows you goals in order, and focused, and the map. Okay, so this seems to be a very nice book so far, guys. I really like what I'm seeing. Clever Fox, good job. Good job. Great job, actually. So I'm excited to start writing in my journal. So excited. And guys, that's my review for this productivity journal from Clever Fox. Go get yourself one so you can increase your productivity. Bye.